how to find the derivative of arctangent. So we have y equals arctangent of x, and we want to find the y prime, the derivative. So how to do this? Let's start by considering this little trick. If we take the tangents of both sides here, so tan of y obviously equals tan of arctan of x, because arctan is the inverse function of tangents. This means that tan of y equals x. We're going to use this to continue our calculations to find the derivative of arctangents. Very clever, huh? So what we want to find to this function here is d of x, d of y over d of x. That's the formula for derivation, or the function. It's a notation for it. This is obviously the same thing as 1 over d of x over d of y. And this is clever, because we just made this little rewrite here, and that would imply this expression. So that would be this derivative. Yes. So what is the derivative of tangents of y? Well, it is, let's do like this, d. The derivative of this is 1 over cos squared of y. Actually, it's the derivative of the first one, but you know the point. This isn't. This is just a note, not proper mathematical notation. What I did on this line. So we can pop this in here, because those are the same. That means we get 1 over 1 over cos squared of y. And that's obviously equal to cos squared of y. And then we take this even further. We continue this equality from here to there. These are the same. Equal all the way down to this row. And we use the trigonometric 1, the trigonometric and the identity that equals 1, which is cos squared of y plus sine squared of y. That's equals 1. So we are allowed to divide using 1 without changing anything. Cos squared of y. So we just divided this with 1, but not an ordinary 1, but a trigonometric 1. But this is still the same. So if we divide both the denominator and the numerator by cos of the cos square of y, we would get cos square of y over cos squared of y over cos squared of y over cos squared of y. And the same for sine here. But sine squared of y over cos squared of y equals tangent squared y. Whoop, I just fitted it here on the corner here. So this is because sine of y over cos of y equals tangents of y. And if we square this, then we get the squared tangents of this. That's clear? Great. Let's move on. So we use that to rewrite this. So if we, whoops. And obviously all the rest of this turns into 1. So we continue the equality here. Then we get 1 plus tan squared of y. So 1 over 1 plus tan squared of y. We managed to do some rewriting here along the way, and we ended up here. But are we finished? No. But we will be very soon, because of the equality we made here. That tan of y equals x, since arctan is the inverse of tan. So if we use this substitution here, down here, we do get 1 plus x squared in the denominator. So 1 over 1 plus x squared. And this is equal to, as we started the equation with, dy dx to the original function here. So y prime is equal to 1 over 1 plus x squared. Was that clear enough? I hope it was. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. And if you have any requests, ask me in the comments. Best of luck with your mathematics, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.